Can you see someone's friend list on Snapchat? In order for you to figure it out, let's jump right into the video. First thing first, all you gotta do is head over to your application Snapchat. Make sure you are logged in into your specific account. Once logged in, swipe right and head over to your chat section. Now move into the inbox of the person that you want to see their friend list. Let me search for it and then click on it. Once you're in their inbox, click on their profile icon. Tons of different options will be visible to you. For now, click on this three-dot icon at the top right corner of the screen. If you click on Manage Friendship, then these options will pop up. But you can see there is no any option on the feature in order for you to see their friend list, which means that it is not possible to see the friend list of the people that you have added on Snapchat. It's against the privacy and restriction of Snapchat itself. So that's the end of the video. If this video helped you, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.